Hello everyone, this is your teacher Ma'am Adoko, and for our lesson video tutorial today I will be discussing how to find the greatest common factor. Let me start first by giving the definition of the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor refers to the common factor of two or more numbers or terms having the greatest numerical factor and with variables having the least degrees. Greatest common factor is the greatest factor that divides each term or numbers. How to find the greatest common factor of an algebraic expression? Let me give you an example. Find the greatest common factor of 21a cubed and 18a to the fifth. Okay, so I will give you first steps. Okay, so step 1, write the complete factorization of each number. Okay, so for the 21a cubed, so the prime factors is 3 times 7. So 3 times 7 is equals to 21, and then times a cubed. For 18a to the fifth, the prime factors is 2 times 3, which is equals to 6, and then times 3, which is equals to 18. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18, and then times a to the fifth. Step 2, identify the common prime factors. Okay, so what are the common prime factors of these algebraic expressions? So we have here the 3. We have common factors of 3 and the variables a. Okay, so we have 3 times a cube. So remember these students, for the variables, we will choose the variables having the least or smallest degree. So for a cube and a to the fifth, the smallest degree or the least degree is the a cube. And then let's proceed to step 3. The GCF is the product of all common prime factors. So we will multiply the 3 and a cube. So 3 times a cube is 3a cube. So 3a cube is the GCF of 21a cube and 18a to the fifth. Let me give you another example. Find the greatest common factor of 24a cubed, b cubed, and 28a to the fifth, b. So step 1, we will write the complete prime factorization of each number. So for 24a cubed, b cubed, so the prime factors is 2 times 2, which is equals to 4, then times 2, which is equals to 8, and then times 3, which is equals to 24. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8, times 3 is equals to 24. And then times a cube times b cube. For 28a to the fifth, b, so the prime factors is 2 times 2, which is 4, times 7. So 4 times 7 is equals to 28 times 8 to the fifth times b. So let's proceed to step 2. Identify the common prime factors. So the common prime factors between these numbers is 2 and then another 2, and then for our variables we have the variables a and the variables b. Okay, so we have 2 times 2, and then for the variables, remember we will choose the variables having the least degree. Okay, so times a cube times b. Then step 3, the GCF is the product of all common prime factors. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4 times a cube times b. So 4a cube b is the GCF of 24a cube b cube and 28a fifth a to the fifth b. So this is how to find the greatest common factors. Thank you for watching our tutorial video today. Have a nice day and bye-bye.